This is your audio system on most of your Nissans. The size may differ, but most of these on the bottom will be the same. Turn it on and off, turn your power on. Most of your Nissans will come standard with your XM already set up with the 90-day window. Then you'll have to either transfer or get your own XM. So first thing, phone. Click the phone button. Access the Bluetooth settings. Do that on your device. Look for it. Look for My Centra. Hit OK. That's as simple it is on the Bluetooth settings. AM, FM, satellite radio, everything's very self-explanatory. It's all touch screen. Your different audio features, you can go to all of these audio features, your USB that I pointed out earlier. You can customize the audio sources. Go to your menu, settings, has your connections. On a Nissan Sentra, you can program up to 5 phones. I believe that is on most Nissans as well. Your clock settings, it tells you the different formats. You can customize your home menu, your sound. This is where you control all of your settings, speed, sensitive, volume. You're driving down the road, you want it to get quieter. When you come to a stop sign, you turn that up. It'll make the speed sensitivity a little bit more sensitive. Volumes and beeps, you can control all that right there. You can customize your home menu, customize your audio sources, go to your Nissan Connect services. You can also turn your system voice on or off and adjust it to female or male. Camera settings, moving object detection is on, and you can also pull up your display settings for your forward-facing camera and your around view monitor, all from that setting there. The top button on the left is your back button. That will control everything else. You hit your info, pulls up again Nissan Connect services, system information, vehicle data transmission information. You can also reset the whole system by hitting these buttons wherever you are at in the system. You can also control your radio settings for your bass, your treble by pushing this in and adjusting that button. Every time you push it, it transfers over to another setup. You also can hit any of these buttons to take you to these features as well as go back. That's your infotainment system on your Nissan.